Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Persistent cough often signals lung diseases like chronic bronchitis, asthma, or pneumonia. Chronic bronchitis causes inflammation and mucus, usually from smoking. Asthma narrows airways, triggering night or exercise-related coughing. Pneumonia is a serious infection with cough, fever, and chest pain. Early diagnosis matters. Don't ignore a cough lasting over 8 weeks.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.